everyone. I'm Swetha and I study in 6th standard in Sishu, Griha, Montessori High School. Today I'm going to explain the concept of Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that for a fixed amount of ideal gas kept at a constant temperature, pressure and volume are inversely proportionate. That is, when volume increases, pressure decreases and vice versa. I am going to demonstrate a simple experiment to explain Boyle's law. For this experiment, you will only need one paper cup and a balloon. Both of these items are easily available in any supermarket or even at your own homes. So, as you would have noticed, when you blow a balloon, and when you try to fix a cup on it, even when you press it hard also it doesn't get fixed. I am going to show you a way to blow the balloon in such a way that the cup does not fall even when you leave it. So you should take the cup and keep the balloon fully inside, and now I am going to blow it. As you see, the cup does not fall. Let me show it again. As you see, the cup does not fall even when I pull it. I am going to explain why this happens. When I take the cup, it's filled with air and the volume of the air inside is more. And when I keep the balloon inside, it occupies some space. So the volume inside the volume of the air inside the cup decreases. And as you would have noticed, when you start blowing a balloon, the surface of the balloon gets curved. As you see, the surface of the balloon gets curved. So when I start blowing it after keeping it in, when the surface gets curved, there is more space for the air. So the volume increases, the volume of the air inside the cup increases, so pressure decreases. And this is according to Boyle's law, because whenever volume increases, pressure decreases, and the atmospheric pressure outside is more than the pressure inside the cup, and because of this difference there is a force which does not let the cup fall down, so the balloon and the balloon and the cup get fixed. And also, when you slowly release the air, as you see, the cup falls down. This is because when the pressure inside the cup and the atmospheric pressure becomes equal, the cup falls down. Boyle's law is also applied in piston pumps. As you would have noticed, when you are trying to fill a cycle tire or a ball, when you pull the piston and when you push it, the air comes out through a tube. Let me explain why this happens. When you pull the piston, the air gets filled inside, and when you push it, the air molecules, as you see in this diagram, the air molecules get compressed when you push down the piston. When you apply downward force on the piston, the air molecules get compressed. So the volume of the air inside the piston pump decreases, so pressure increases, and there is comparatively lower pressure inside the tire or the ball that you are willing to fill. So air always moves from higher pressure to lower pressure, and this is why the air moves from the piston pump into the tire. Boyle's law is also applied in injection syringes, which you can find in hospitals. Thank you. I hope you have liked my video.